Many lovely dishes and delicious desserts can be made with pumpkin. Today, I am cooking a very simple stir-fried pumpkin with crispy anchovy. It is similar to my pumpkin with dry prawns, and it is a great alternative if dry prawns are unavailable. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 550 grams of pumpkin cut into 1 cm cube, 1/4 cup of water, 1 red and green chili cut, 25 grams of crispy fried anchovy. I am using homemade crispy fried anchovies. The recipe link is in the description box. 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, and 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. Let's cook. Heat the pan to high heat, add in all the onion oil, and wait about 2 minutes for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is really hot, add in all the chopped onions. Give it a stir for about 30 seconds or until the onion releases the aroma. Next, add in all the pumpkin and seasoning, salt, and oyster sauce. Give it a stir for about 30 seconds or until the ingredients and seasoning are well combined. Evenly distribute the pumpkin around the pan. Now add in the green chili, the red chili, and all of the water. Spread the pumpkin around the pan to be evenly cooked. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the lid. Look, it is boiling vigorously. The pumpkin is about 60% cooked now, and it is still have a lot of water. Continue to cook with the lid open to allow the water to evaporate so that the pumpkin will become dry, while stirring every 15 to 20 seconds to evenly cook it. Check on the pumpkin. This should be around 85% cooked, just a little bit more. Now I can add in half of the crispy fried shallots for a lovely fragrance. Leave another half for garnishing. Give it a mix. Notice that the gravy is getting dry and the pumpkin looks soft and cooked. Add in 1 tablespoon of crispy fried anchovy to infuse the flavor in the cooked pumpkin. The rest of it will be used for topping and garnishing. Give it a mix to incorporate pumpkin and anchovy. See, the bottom of the pan is totally dry. Let's have a final check on the pumpkin. If it is all soft and cooked, use the fork to poke the pumpkin. If it goes through easily, it is cooked. Alright, it is well cooked now. Give it a taste. Delicious. If no seasoning is to be added, switch off the heat, and we are done. Stir-fry pumpkin with crispy anchovy. Let's dish out and serve. Once dish out on the serving plate, top it with crispy fried anchovy, crispy fried shallots, and spring onions. This looks so yummy. It is best served with rice. Let's try. Wow, so tasty and very delicious. The pumpkin is so soft that it melts in the mouth. The anchovy is crispy, lending a bit of saltiness that blends so well with the soft and tasty pumpkin. So lovely. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.